Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you one of the important application of Cloud Drive, that is Deck. So you can find this application at the top of the screen. So the Deck application is similar to Kanban board. I'm sure you must be knowing what is Kanban board. So this is what Kanban board is. So this concept is somewhat similar to Kanban board, but this is in digitized format. So the deck helps in managing task, project, team and track progress of each phases of activity. Let me take you through this. So at the left corner, this is called as board. I have created some of the boards. You too can create another board. Let me just create another board. Let me name it as IT team. So what happens is you can create different boards for different teams. You might have many departments, finance department, marketing departments. You can create different boards for different teams. So here inside the board, this plus symbol is nothing but creating the list. So you can just create the list. So I'll just add here. Let me write as review 1. Let it be review 2. So as I've already written review 1, I've just written review 2. So see here you can find review 2. So these are called the list. So under each list you can have cards, or I can say it as task. So I have created 2 cards or task. Let me show you how it works. So just click on this add card. Let it be as example 1. See here, I have created a card. So now when you click this, you get this one. So just add the details. You can assign this card. This is a tag. So you can assign the tag. You can assign one tag or even multiple. As you can see here, I have assigned one. Here there are 2. So let me just assign 2 tags. I've assigned 2 tags. Next, you can assign this to a particular user or the group of users also. You can just set the due date by when this work has to be completed. If you see here, I have done here as in 4 hours, the document has to be submitted. Let me set a date for this as well. Okay, let me just give this as tomorrow's date. Time. Yes. So now which one do I want this to be in? See here. So this is connected to example 1 of demo team. Next, you can add the project. So you can link to any board, card, or even file. So when I say link to a file, there's an application named by file management under Cloud Drive. So it gets linked there. Link to conversation. This gets linked in another application, that is Talk. Now, let me show you how does it get linked to file. So you can link to file it in this way, any of the files. You can even add the description, what the meeting is about, so that the next person can see the previous description or what the comment is, and then they can work on that. Attachment. You can upload the new file or you can share from the files. As I've mentioned earlier, files means it's an application that's there in the Cloud Drive. So you can share it from there. Upload new files, in the sense you can upload the new files from your system. Comment. Now the unique feature of this comment is, whatever the comment is being given, you can find this in timeline. Timeline gives an overview of whatever the activities that has been taken place. So you can add keep adding comments. Now what happens is when the new user has to do any work, they can just check out what the previous user has done, and you can complete the work in that way. Now here you can even archive the cards. So moment I click there, see here you can share this when we click on demo, and when we click this one, you can share this entire board. What happens is here the entire board gets shared with the group of users or whoever you want to share. See, I can share it. So I'm sharing this entire board with H Intelsen person. Let me share it with one more. Okay, this is with a person. So suppose if you want to share it with a team, so this is a team, this is a group, COE is a group, so I'm sharing it even with the group. So now what happens is this entire demo board can be seen by the COE group and these two people. You can add the tags. Now here you can add the tags. It's not just that you can add the tags here, but you can add the new tags as well. You can delete the items, you can delete the list, or you can even delete the cards. Then timeline is like you can find the full activity, what has taken place. The another exciting feature is, now suppose the document has to be submitted. Now it's already being doing, I'm doing. So from do, I can just drag it to doing. So from once I'm doing, once I'm almost done, then I can drag it to done. So this is how it works. So this is, there are many more features about Deck. However, we will be explaining it in next video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check the videos there related to Talk, Files application, calendar, and many more. So stay tuned with Intelsen. This is Fazana Banu signing off.